arrived to the hotel super early, 5:30 now. Not sure whether they have a room for me, but I'm going to share with you that this stay experience at Le Méridien. Today I got the room, it's a Le Méridien suite. I think I stayed there before, but I made a Chinese speaking video, so this time going to be an English speaking video. I came quite early, and then if you came in super early, you have to pay 300 ringgit if you would like to get the room ready. Then I will show you the club lounge, I'll show you the room, I'll show you the breakfast, the swimming pool, and most of the facility. As a platinum guest, what you can get is a white color polo tee or 1000 point. Of course, I choose a point, so let me show you the room in a bit. Very happy with this suite room, one of my favorite room. As a platinum guest, you get the club lounge access. Of course, that the club lounge open for breakfast from 6:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Then you can get all day refreshment until afternoon. Then the evening cocktail hour will be from blah blah blah. I can't find that. I will share with you more information later. 6:30 to 8:30 daily. Then if you like to bring additional guests, of course it's chargeable, but let me show you the room first. This is really impressive, very beautiful suite room. Le Méridien suite. So here it is. You get the wardrobe right over here, for you to put your shoe, the bedroom slipper, the laundry bag, the shoe brush. I like those that are at the door side have a full length mirror. Then the ironing board and steam iron. It's very good to have a steam iron nowadays. Very large, spacious living room, and all these drawers are empty. And blah 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 blah. They used to provide some postcard long times ago. So here's a minibar. You get the switch to on the light here, and then all the coffee and tea right over here. They provide this grounded coffee, so it's a good one. I like it. And the kettle is a big bottle kettle. Then the fridge is this fully stocked fridge. It's all chargeable, yeah. There is a connecting door there, but hopefully the next door is not making a lot of noise. Very nice sofa bed. You can overlook at the swimming pool. You will know that the weather is good, and then here you can catch a very impressive traffic jam in the morning and the evening. Really impressive one. So let me show you the bedroom. Very important to share with you that there's one USB port, the high speed one, the universal power plug, and control the aircon, the light, all this are here. The clock, two more extra USB port over here, and the safe is here. It's a huge one. You can really put a lot of things inside, and they are very cool now. They provide the HDMI cable now, so you don't have to worry about that. Two universal power plug and two high-speed charging USB port, TV, and then the very nice king bed. I always love their bed. I remember they will provide complimentary cultural center pass. Yeah, this one. And then there is something you can get the free coffee. Yeah, complimentary coffee at the lobby lounge. So comfortable. I love it. Smells so good. Then here's the bathroom, and you can actually put all your clothing right over here, so you don't have to worry that your wardrobe is there. It's actually you got another one right over here, which I think is good. Then here's a bathroom. You have a very nice bathtub, and then handheld shower. If you like to shower on the bathtub, and then the toilet with the bidet. Two toilet paper, and then the weighing scale. I love this two basin. Although I'm staying alone tonight, and then it'll be perfect for couples or families to stay over here. Then their towel is always a good towel. Push, sorry. And they are using the Malingo Kuwait. So how do you pronounce it? I love their shampoo very much. Very funny things that they have the 2 extra spray and handheld towel and the rain shower. So shower in this suite room is a very cool function over here. If you like to watch watch people to soak inside, shower inside, or your kid shower inside, you can just like roll this up, and then it will be safer for you to enjoy, relax, and then while your kids or your loved one in the toilet. And you can put your luggage over here, and all the drawers here are empty. Oh, sorry, there's one for the Muslim friend for the prayer. Then also a signage. Hang on, the signage is right here. Yeah, it shows you the signage where for you to pray. I love this room very much. Here's a club lounge, and then there's an evening cocktail hour. Let me show you the dessert first. I always love their macarons, very nice. And if they have the layer cake, is the most amazing thing as well. So these are the spread they have. I always love their hummus and the guacamole. Today they have the very tasty mango salad. I'm very happy with this. The bread is perfect with the carrot soups. And there are some bread over here that you can enjoy that. I love this focaccia. And a very beautiful, nicely plated cheese. Last time they will have the freshly baked right over here, but now it's just a display. And every day they will also have a different item over here. Then you get the alcohol right over here. Today they have 2 different types of beer now. They used to only have this Cornos, but now they have Carlsberg. And if you like to have some cocktail, you can always ask the staff to make some cocktails for you. And they have Prosecco and some white wine. Okay, let me get some of the plant-based item. The chicken murtabak should be good, and then yep, let me enjoy my late evening over here. Let me show you the best hotel breakfast in KL. You start from that side, the yogurt, the cereal. You look at the number of cereal, it's a lot, right? Then there are some gluten-free corner. And also the very delicious Kueh Kueh station, ice cream for dinner. Then I have all this, lots of the yogurt. Over here they have a beautiful cheese platter, all this. The Japanese corner at the back. And the number of the salad is amazing. I love to have a natto for breakfast. So that is natto. Very smelly but tasty. Then you have a lot of the bakery options, and also they have the very tasty nasi lemak, a little bit spicy but the best. And the juice station with the teh tarik and masala tea right over there. Then I had the most tasty egg ever. Usually I don't eat egg at the breakfast, but they have this 63-degree egg is very tasty. And they have the noodle station, dim sum. Oh yeah, the dim sum is good. You should try the dim sum. Then a long stretch of the Indian food. All the curries are very tasty. They have very unique chutney, and also have a very nice achar. The mango achar and lime pickle is very nice. Here is the swimming pool that shared with Hilton. It's a very comfortable swimming pool that you can catch a very nice sunlight. I like this area, can lie down here to have a good suntan, and then yet not to get very hot sunlight. You'll cool down from the other side of your body. There is a slide and a waterfall and a jacuzzi as well. So this is a perfect place for you to relax. I'm not sure why there is an orchid here. Maybe it's a spa area. So that is the Hilton, and that's the Le Méridien. Jacuzzi is right over here. It's for adult only, and then kids under 12 are not allowed. And at the Hilton side, there's something like a lap pool, slightly longer. but you can use the both side of the swimming pool. I'm going to check out now, but actually I'm going to change to another room because I'm going to host my sister for 2 nights right over here in Kuala Lumpur. She never been here, but it will be in Chinese speaking video. I hope that this video is helpful for you to make a decision to stay here because this is really one of the best hotels. I will recommend everyone to come over here to enjoy the breakfast, the club lounge, and have a good recharge on the comfortable bed. Bye bye.